fuck is going on right now? These two birds are chasing each other, screaming at each other. What the fuck are they doing? What are they doing? What on earth? Okay, 5 minutes later, they're doing nothing now. They're just chilling in the field. They're just chill guys now. Not every bird's here now. I think they woke up or not. That's about all my days. Subscribe for a cookie I will steal from your house. You have 1 hour and 30 minutes, or I will disease you with a common cold.